is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 50,344 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3-liter 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive. Has 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Starting with the driver's side door. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the lights down here. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. And then we're going to take a look up here. So the kilometers that y'all are seeing on the dash is 81,020. The miles again is 50,344. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I did want to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We do appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.